Welcome to Bhavi e-learning channel. Today we are going to discuss about visual representation of fraction. Most of the children has a doubt in how the fraction is there, why it is called 1 by 2, why it is called 2 by 3 like this. So basically this is a visual representation. Here I have taken one circle. It's a complete circle. That's why it is called as a whole quantity, and it is only one circle. That's why it is called as a whole one number, one quantity, right? So here, if I divide this circle in two equal parts, I cut the circle in two parts, both the parts are equivalent, and that's why I can say that one part is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 1 out of 2 parts. So here 2 is the represent the denominator, that is total number of parts of the circle, and 1 represents the numerator, that is one part out of the 2 parts. So this is called fraction. Fraction means equivalent parts, to make the whole quantity into equivalent parts. So same way we can represent the fraction, the same circle, in 3 equal parts as well, 4 equal parts as well. Any number of parts you can divide the circle. Okay, so here we will discuss about 3 equivalent parts. Now you can see here this model. This model represents 3 parts of the same circle. So if I want to represent one part, so I can represent it as a 1 out of 3. Here 1 represents numerator, because I am representing only one part, so it's 1 out of 3 total parts. And the same way we can divide the one complete circle into 4 equivalent parts. Most probably you may remember pizza. Pizza is the best example of fraction. So here we are dividing one circle into 4 equivalent parts, and if I want to represent only one part, then I can write it as a 1 out of 4. 1 represents one part and 4 represents the denominator, that is total number of parts in the denominator, right? You can represent 2 parts as well. It will be 2 out of 4.